Hi, I'm David.
And I'm Esme.
This segment will talk to you about some home defense options to help keep you and your family safe. So, there's nothing more frightening than having an intruder inside your home. It's great in that situation to have a way to protect yourself and your family. Because we know personal safety is personal, we're going to show you a couple different options today to provide that personal safety and to help you make it safe.
So first off, with home defense pepper gels, you want to find a convenient spot in your home for it where you're going to have access to it, but children won't. So a lot of home defense models that SABRE carries have this wall mount. Make sure you use those so that you can store it in a high enough place where kids, potentially pets, won't have access to it, but you will in a potentially dangerous situation.
So both of these two options here do come with that wall mount. You have a smaller, more compact unit with a glow-in-the-dark safety. That's great. Middle of the night, you hear a startling sound, you can easily locate your product. This has a twist lock safety as well. So to prevent accidental discharge, you simply, when you're ready to use it, you move it into the armed position or basically unlock it. When you're done, go back into the lock position to help keep it safe. Then the larger size, this is a pistol grip firing mechanism. It has a pin here for a safety. You need to remove that pin. You can obviously remove the product from the wall mount. This one you probably might want to use two hands. So you're going to grab the bottom of the can and deploy it with your thumb up top. Both these products use a gel. The nice thing about a pepper gel, it's a little bit cleaner inside your home. It is going to stick to the whatever it makes direct contact with. It's not going to atomize like traditional pepper spray will, and it also sprays 20% further than traditional pepper spray, which is a big advantage to help you get to safety inside your home.
So once you're comfortable with how to store and how to hold your pepper spray, you're ready to practice using it.
So let's talk about the proper spray techniques with these pepper gel products. So again, when you're holding the can from the bottom and you're using your thumb to deploy, we recommend an ear-to-ear deployment across the face of the attacker with this larger can. The smaller one, it's going to be more across the eyes of the intruder. If you miss with the first shot, go back the opposite way until that ocular area is contacted. You will be able to see with this product because the natural pigment of SABRE red, which is that darker orangish red color you can see on the skin of the intruder, which lets you know if that second shot is necessary.
And at SABRE, we say spray and away. So once you've sprayed your attacker and have incapacitated them, the next step is get to safety. You want to get your family to safety if you can, and then call for help if needed.
And speaking of safety, distance is always your friend. Even the smaller, more compact can has a distance of up to 17 feet. The larger size can has a very impressive 25-foot range. Again, it's the larger size of this canister and the gel type delivery system that give you that extra safety.
So we hope these tips make you feel more comfortable with your home defense options at home. Millions of people choose SABRE products every year. Be safe, go confidently, and trust your instincts. They're usually right.